Hi guys, so today we're going to be learning about the Metal Ages. The Metal Ages. And as you can see here, this is what civilization was like during this time. You have people who are using metal to create weapons. You can see they are heating it up and melting it and creating weapons. The civilization is divided into lots of different groups. They are living in houses and they have a protective wall against enemies. All of this is only possible because of the Metal Ages and the discovery of different types of metal. Now you should watch this video which shows you the 5 things you should know about the Metal Ages. So first, there was the Copper Age. The main changes was the discovery of metal and their uses. The discovery of copper and how to melt it into tools and weapons. Because of this, society was divided up, and so different tasks could be done. For example, farmers produced the food, and metal workers created weapons and tools from metal. Some of these tools could be used by farmers to help produce and collect food. Here is a picture showing what some of the products of copper used to be. Here is a Copper Age city. It is a recreation of the city Los Miares, which is 20 kilometers from Almeria in Spain. You can see it's very big and on a hill with protection against enemies. Next was the Bronze Age. You can see here a picture of the bronze metal and how it was used in war. The main changes between copper and bronze was that bronze was a much stronger metal. People learnt how to melt and shape bronze so they could create weapons and armour which were much stronger and lasted a lot longer. You can see here in this picture, he is wearing some bronze armour as his outfit. This protected you in war. Armour. So here we have some picture of the types of weapons. So this is a picture that shows you some of the weapons that were created using bronze. And here is a video on the Bronze Age that I'd like you to watch. Next, we have the Iron Age. Now, the Iron Age was when weapons were created harder and better. This is because iron was harder and therefore created better quality weapons and tools. Owning higher quality metals showed that you had wealth in society. And gold and silver were made to create coins, money, and jewellery. Larger cities were created with forts and walls to protect the city against enemies. Due to the rise in better metals, there were more weapons to farm and fight. This meant that there was more food. Because there was more food, there were more people. This meant that larger settlements had the ability to defend themselves from enemies. More people also meant there were different trades, and these different trades allowed for new things to be created, and thus boats to allow for travel. The Metal Ages ended when writing was introduced, which led to the first major settlements of ancient history. For example, the Egyptians. Here is a video on the Iron Age in Britain. Finally, Here is an activity for you to do. If you pause the video and answer these questions on what you have learnt. And remember, the presentation we have sent you means that you can go and watch the videos like these. Enjoy!